Hey guys, how you guys doing? I have a very special treat for you guys today. As you can see on my screen, I am not showing you guys my revenue. I wanted to switch it up and show you guys people in my Discord's revenue, people that are learning from me, my partner Kevin. As you can see, we have a success channel, and Kebab right here. Shout out to Kebab, 12K per day. Prioletti at 52K under 3 weeks. It's going up. Kebab again. DM goal at 12K revenue. Someone that just joined the Discord got their very first sale. Don't have 163 on their first day testing, and Rice again, but the first day he tested had $400 in sales. Now I'm not showing you guys this to brag about me or my students. Obviously these screenshots, you can tell the information that I give out is legit and it works. And all of these people right here, as you can see, it was literally from last week. It's only June 5th, and if you scroll all the way down, you can see someone yesterday and today. So these results are basically pretty current. But anyways, all of these guys started out as complete beginners. I also started out as a complete beginner. I was once in their shoes, and I know how it feels like to start dropshipping with all this information in the world. A lot of us get stuck in something called analysis paralysis, where we have too much information. We think dropshipping is so hard and we just don't start on it. Or, another type of people would be, they know all this information and then they start doing things, but unfortunately not every information is correct out there. And unfortunately, sometimes people spend too much time on some things that don't really matter when it comes to the success of dropshipping. If you want to go ahead and join the Discord and be just like these students right here, I'm going to leave a link down below. It's called Prime Cord. That's where I mainly help everybody, mentor people, also literally just help them launch and scale their ads to provide updated quality information. Unfortunately, I cannot help everybody in the comments down below all the time. That's why I have a Discord server. So if you're interested, go to the description and join Prime Cord, and I'll see you there on the Discord. But lucky for you, in these 15 to 20 minutes, I'm only going to show you the easiest way to start dropshipping. Number 2, the most reliable way to start dropshipping. And number 3, obviously proven methods that works for me and my students here on Discord. So I'm here to show you the real information, what works and what doesn't. So you have what it takes to basically start dropshipping without all of this outside noise and this outside information that may or may not even be true. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is finding a winning product, but instead of teaching you how to find a winning product, because everyone kind of already knows how to find a winning product or where to look for them, I'm going to teach you how to verify that it's a winning product. Now, a lot of people out there go like, oh, this video has a lot of views, so it must be a winning product. This video has a lot of engagement, so it must be a winning product. Honestly, those are just guesses. You're only guessing statistically. Like, if they have a lot of views, they should have a lot of sales. Unfortunately, in the dropshipping world, views does not equal sales. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you. This product right here, Cloud Sharks, it's been a popular product for a while, but honestly, you don't know if it's even selling well or not. I'm going to teach you how to verify whether or not a product is winning. So obviously, they have a really nice looking website, but to honestly find out if the product is winning or not, I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL, put it into a tool, and add the shop. And boom, you can see right here that they are doing around $8,000 per day, and at the high end, $10,000 per day. So this product is definitely still selling. Obviously, summer is right around the corner, so this product is meant for summer, and you can literally see that they're still selling $8,000 to $10,000 every day. A lot of people would already assume this product is dead. This product was a winner last year or the year before, but honestly, you don't know unless you have this tool, which is the sponsor of this video, Shop Hunter. If you haven't used Shop Hunter yet, go to the description down below. Shop Hunter is a sponsor of this video, and you can use code Andrew for 25% off lifetime. But if you don't already know, Shop Hunter can literally see live sales data off of any Shopify store. As you can see right here, I just plugged in Cloud Sharks, and you can see their live data. You can see how much money they're making every single day. It's around $8,000 to $10,000. But if you scroll down, you can see exactly how many products they have in their site, because obviously sometimes one site is not only selling one product. You can see all the products that they have. You can see the revenue each product is bringing in. So you can see that the original Cloud Slides are doing better than every other one out there right now. And you can also see the recent sales. If you really want to track their live data and see if they're getting sales every few minutes or every hour, you can. And you see it just loaded, so it told me I got a sale 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. So I know that this person is still running ads, because obviously they're getting sales every few minutes up to an hour ago. But you can see how useful this tool is to verifying whether or not a winning product is actually winning. Because obviously you see they're making sales every single minute. You also see that they're making around $8,000 to $10,000 per day in revenue, which usually equals to around 2 to 3K in profit every single day. Anyways, thank you so much, Shop Hunter, for sponsoring this video. If you haven't used Shop Hunter yet, it's an amazing tool. Go to the description down below. Use code Andrew for 25% off. All right, now that we looked at the cloud slides, I want to go ahead and show you another store right here, the Infinity Hoop. I like this product a lot because obviously I had it on my list, and until recently, Shop Hunter literally told me that they were making more sales than usual. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to their Shop Hunter chart. I'll show you real quick, but this product just helps everyone lose weight. And it's a very easy way to lose weight, and you can see right here they have a lot of before and afters. But going to Shop Hunter, you can see I had this on my Shop Hunter list for a while. So when you track a store, you can see how they're doing every single day, and Shop Hunter kind of gives you updates on whether or not they're scaling or killing their ads, or showing you a percentage change over time. And I saw on my dashboard that they're literally getting almost $8,000 more every single day. So you can see around April, they're only making 14 to 15K revenue, and just these past months alone is shot up. Now, obviously, I would rather choose this product over something like Cloud Slides, because Cloud Slides right now are stagnant. It's just 8 to 10K per day stagnant, while this product has more room to grow because more people are willing to buy this product. As you can see, it went from 15K to 60K. It dropped back down, but they're literally trying to scale again. And obviously, today's not over. It is only around 11 a.m. right now, and they're at 38K in sales. So they are probably going to end the day around 70K in sales, which is amazing. But yeah, without Shop Hunter, I would not have known, but I verified that now this is a winning product. And obviously, summer's here. You want to lose weight and, get in shape, but this is the product that I'm choosing. So we are on the website now. Now that we know it's a winning product, you want to go ahead and take a look at their website and how they set it up. Now, contrary to popular belief, when you're testing a product, the one thing better than anything else is straight up just speed. You want to launch this product as fast as possible, and obviously you cannot do that if you're going to spend 2 or 3 weeks on a website. Creating a website like this is going to take a few days and not weeks, so you don't want to go ahead and copy their entire website. And I can tell you right now, when this website first launched and they were not making that many sales, they did not spend this much effort on a website. So what you want to do is just get an idea of how they're advertising it. Obviously, they have a lot of before and afters. They show you how the product works, and we just kind of have to figure out how we can do this on the website without going ahead and overloading it and spending too much time on the website. But the first thing I'm gonna do now is make sure that it's on AliExpress, because obviously not every product that you find is gonna be on AliExpress. And if it's not on AliExpress, then that means you cannot sell it as a dropshipping item. So you can see right here, I just searched it up on AliExpress. You can see it is on AliExpress, so we are good to go. We can sell this product, but as you can see, they're selling it for around 18, some even at 11, some at 22, but the competitor is selling it at $70, so their margins are great. It's almost a 2 to 3 times margin, which is a good margin. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on the AliExpress link, something like this, and see what we can find. Whenever you find a product on AliExpress, you want to make sure it has this shipping method, AliExpress standard shipping. The reason is, every time that I've tried it out, the customer always gets their products within 10 to 15 days, which is just fine for dropshipping. You don't have to go any faster, but obviously you don't want any slower. So you want to make sure it has AliExpress standard shipping, and this one does. So that means we're good to go on selling this product. Obviously, when you scale higher, you're going to want to go ahead and have a private supplier. But as of right now, you're just testing this product, so you don't have to think about all those irrelevant information for now. For now, you have AliExpress standard shipping, and that's just fine, because you maybe are going to get 1 or 2 orders or even 3 orders when you're testing this product. And eventually, when you scale this product up, then you get your own private supplier. But you shouldn't really look for a supplier off the bat and waste time like that. So before you go ahead and start a Shopify store, you actually need a name for your product or for your store. Honestly, I love using this tool called namelicks.com. All you have to do is put in some keywords. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some keywords for ourselves and see what names it comes up for us. So it's generating some names right now. I kind of just put in hula hoop to see what they got, but obviously you see hoop joy, ring rave, rock and spin. Obviously all of these actually make sense. Love hula, twirl away. All of these names are pretty good. Obviously, you don't want to spend too much time on a name, because that honestly doesn't really matter at the end of the day. Tidy hula. I'm gonna go ahead and go with something like hoop joy or even joy hoop. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't really see any other names that I like, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. But this website gives you a bunch of choices. So if you really want to go ahead and sit down for, I would say, maximum 5 minutes and choose a name, you can. But guys, go ahead and create our Shopify store. Now, the next step after finding your winning product and verifying that it's a winning product and verifying it's on AliExpress and has AliExpress standard shipping is obviously you want to go ahead and create a Shopify site. Now, good thing for you guys, I have partnered up with Shopify to bring you this deal for only $1 per month. So after testing this product, if it doesn't work, you only use $1 for that first month anyways. So you want to use this link right here. The link is in the description down below as well. So you can see right here, it says get your first 3 months for just $1. So you can literally test this product for 3 months. Obviously, I don't recommend it, but you have 3 months to test this product and you only have to pay $3 because it's $1 per month. If you want this deal, go to the description down below. I'd be happy to give you a free trial of Shopify, because obviously Shopify is the best e-commerce hosting website right now. and everyone uses it. So I'll go ahead and hop into this deal. So once you're in your Shopify store, the first thing you want to do is install this app called De-essers. So this app right here, De-essers AliExpress Dropshipping. What this app does is actually connect your Shopify store and AliExpress. So every time somebody buys from you, it can go ahead and fulfill your item from AliExpress and put in your customer's information, and it'll ship the item directly from AliExpress to the customer's house, so you don't have to do anything on your end. But yeah, you want to go ahead and download this app called De-essers. So once you connect De-essers to your Shopify and your AliExpress, you want to go ahead and put your product in. Obviously, when you import it on De-essers, it's going to create a product for you. I didn't do that because I want to start from scratch and show you how you would create a product on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Joy Spin Hula Hoop. And then for the description, a lot of people want to go ahead and spend a lot of time here. Honestly, it does not matter. All you have to do is put a few images from AliExpress. So I'm gonna go to AliExpress and scroll down, see what we can get. Right here, I want to go ahead and start with this image. So we want to copy the image and we're gonna go ahead and paste it in. We want to make it smaller because this image is way too big and we can't even see ourselves. So once we make it smaller, we're gonna go ahead and put a title for this image. I'm gonna go ahead and put something along the lines of all in one workout. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, make it bold, make it heading 1. Also gonna go ahead and put this in the middle of the page, center align. Same for this image, center align. And if you want to go ahead and get some recommendations or inspiration from your competitor, you can. So you can see if you scroll down, all in one workout, help you burn calories from home. They have a bunch of things over here. And if you really want to, you can go to ChatGPT and rewrite some of these words. Honestly, I'm not going to, it's just fine like that. And I have one image now. So the second image I'm gonna do is easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it down here. And while I paste it down here, I'm gonna put easy to use. Go ahead and make this to the middle alignment and make it smaller as well. All right, there we go. The next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and copy something else. So right here, boom, put this in the middle and you're done with that. So you can see it's very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and save this. And right here, 3 images, 3 words is kind of all you already need to do because you're just testing this product. Your customer is already convinced to buy this product because they're going on their website. The only thing you make sure you got to do is not to convince them to hop off your website. As long as your website looks decent, it's fine. Obviously, the better it looks, it will convert better, but you don't want to spend too much time when it comes to testing because you don't even know if this product is going to work for you. So you don't want to spend too much time wasted, working on the website when it doesn't really matter, especially at lower scale or lower ad spend. So that's it for that. For the media, you want to go ahead and add some images. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Open, and boom, I put some 2 images right here, and these images are from AliExpress, so that's where I got it from. The price, you want to go ahead and just put $69.99. And compare price, I just put 100. It doesn't really matter. And yep, that's about it. You want to go ahead and click down here, and you want to put color, and we have 2 colors that we're going to sell, blue and pink. Once you save it, you want to go ahead and choose which one's the blue one, because obviously Shopify does not know the colors. And save it again, and boom, you're now done with that. You want to go ahead and go to online store. That's what I like to do. And you can see right here, I already had the theme called the Refresh. So Shopify itself, it comes with a theme called Dawn. You don't want to use Dawn. You want to go ahead and use either Refresh or Sense. I just chose Refresh, so you want to go ahead and click Add. Obviously, you have a logo right here, Joyspin. If you don't already know how to make a logo, you could use this website called brandcrowd.com. Joyspin, create logos, choose something like this, continue. I can go ahead and show you a bunch of logos right now, and obviously I chose something here, I forgot which one I chose, but they all look pretty good, so just choose any of them as long as it looks decent, and I think mine looks pretty good. Joyspin, it kind of makes sense for my product as well, but scrolling down, that's really all you need, and then you should have reviews down below. But I'm not gonna go ahead and show you guys that today. Adding reviews is pretty simple, but yeah, that's all you need for the website. I already went ahead and verified the product, started a Shopify store, and made a good product page. Obviously, like I said, it's not the best product page available, but this is all you need right now because you're just testing the product, and I did that in under 10 to 15 minutes. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and start advertising this product. So I'm going to show you the testing strategy related to advertising a product like this. Now, if you are lost at this point because you are a complete beginner and you don't know anything about Shopify, obviously I skipped a lot of stuff when it came to setting up Shopify and the back end of Shopify. I do have a course down below for beginners as well, also intermediate and advanced, but beginners can take a lot from this course. Obviously, it's a step-by-step instruction course, 70 videos, over 70 videos. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna scroll down. Beginners can take a lot of action from just phase 1 of launching. I teach you how to set up your store and not just your product page. I teach you how to set up Facebook, and we're gonna get into that next. But before you start Facebook ads and before you start the store, obviously you need to set them up first. And unfortunately, I cannot show you guys here in a 15-minute YouTube video, so it is in my course down below if you want to go ahead and check that out. So I am in the Facebook Ads Manager right now, and the reason is I'm going ahead and testing this product. Right here is a campaign that I have set up. Each budget is $10 per day. I have 10 assets, and you can see all these assets are literally related to the product. Healthy habits, CrossFit, running, physical exercise. You know, I'm targeting people that want to lose weight and are healthy in life and are trying to go ahead and have a better life. Obviously, I'm not gonna go ahead and target something like dogs or target something like interior design, because people interested in dogs and interior design might not even be likely to buy a product that, you know, helps them with their fitness and exercise. So what you want to do is obviously have one interest first. So the first interest I had was physical exercise. What I basically did was go ahead and duplicate it, click duplicate, scroll all the way down, and I basically went ahead and clicked suggestions. And you can see physical exercise. Facebook is giving me a lot of suggestions of what I should, you know, pick, and I put most of these on here already. Let's just say you want to go ahead and choose sports. You want to go ahead and X out of physical exercise, and you want to go ahead and put sports, and that's about it. But yeah, the rest of the settings pretty easy. Website, you want to choose your website. Obviously, I didn't connect my pixel here or anything like that, but you should choose your pixel, and you always want to go ahead and do the performance goal as maximum number of conversions. Scrolling down, your daily budget, it should be $10 per day, and your start date should be the very next day at 12 a.m. because you want a 24-hour advertising day to have the best data available. Scrolling down, you want to choose the locations: Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and United States. And then you also want to have 18 to 65, and genders. You can choose all genders, or you can just choose females or males depending on what your product is. Now for this one, I'm going to go ahead and just choose females, just because a lot of the ad videos that I have for this product are just strictly females using it. There's not a lot of men using this product for the ad videos, so I'm going to go ahead and strictly target females. Obviously, use your best judgment for this. You don't want to sell a makeup brush and advertise to males, and obviously you don't want to go ahead and sell a beard shaver and advertise to women. You know, use your best judgment. And over here we have the interest, so people that are interested in sports, which is over 1 billion people are going to see this ad. That's about it, and that's all you have for the asset level. And I would basically launch a campaign like this, choosing these 10 interests, and whichever interest does good, I'm going to go ahead and scale it. But whichever one does not perform and does not do good, I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. Now, that's basically it. The easiest way to get started in dropshipping: find a product, verify that it's making a lot of sales from Shop Hunter. Number 3, go ahead and launch your store and do a really quick one product store. You know, set up just 3 images, write some words, and you don't have to go too in depth on that. And number 4, I'm not sure what number we're on, but you know, now we launched the ads, and you can see how easy it is to get started in dropshipping. You don't have to do any of the things that a lot of people tell you to, like, oh, you have to go ahead and, you know, do email marketing. You have to go ahead and buy the product and record it yourself. You know, a lot of these things you don't have to do until you have a winning store. And a lot of people waste a lot of time by just testing products and spending a week on the store, and by that time someone like me has already gone ahead and scaled it up and start doing the extra things when my product is winning. Like I said, if you are interested in the Discord, make sure you hit the link down below. The Discord is called Prime Card. You can literally just be like any of these students right here, showing a lot of numbers. You know, it's not that hard. Everyone started as a complete beginner, and now they're making revenue. You can see right here we have results almost every single day, every single week. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.